it's time for me to get my hair done. Look who's here. Let's get somebody.
Hello.
Yes, Matthew's here. Do something with this face. Mom's over there in her world, eating her salad.
Looks good.
All right, so this is for GloBugz. All I know is I'm outside in the farm, so it's gonna be very bright light. So, and kid-like. So I'm. Okay, Milk and Magnesia on the face. I'm doing it while the music is not playing. So yay! So ooh, secrets. Okay, so we're out here and getting ready to go to the farm. It's 700 degrees, but windy, so makes it bearable right now. All right, stop trying to hold my hand, L. What the L? Yes. All right. Makeup artist check. Assistant check. Talent check. Jessica check. There she is. Okay, I don't know if you can see how the horse is, I mean, like, it's that big. Look, and there's Daddy over there. And look, they just lay down because they're so comfortable and happy.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, he won an Emmy. He can walk through my little video anytime. Buddy. So this is just amazing. Having a good time out here. Look at my cheekbones, y'all.
Oh my God, you're so
magic.
funny. Look at this turkey. Like, the turkey's just chilling. And
We're
she's
back in the studio
out.
after chasing animals. Here with Matthew.
Hey.
I have another half of the day to go. Doing makeup touch-ups. Lipstick still on there pretty good. Huh? What the hell? Also on set, we found out that my sister had an incident with a cat. I'll let her tell you. But I don't know. It's been a very interesting day. But a lot of things with animals. You know, animals are very interesting. Okay, bye bye. Go Oza! Yay! Go Oza! Yay! Good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yay! Yay! Whoa! Yay! Thank you.
I needed this joy.
Oh! Whoa, boom. Good job. Oh, Zell. Whoa! Oh, thank you, Ozell. Whoa! Oh. Thank you, Ozell. Oh, thank you.
Sophie's helping her.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You're doing the Sophie walk. Yeah. Yeah. What is happening? Yes, we make D happy. Yes. You're so proud of yourself. Oh, thank you. Oh.
And a bow.
Okay.
Very good. She walked for a good minute.
2 minutes. Let's go.
Good job, little baby.
Wow, Ozell, wow. Proud of you.